Hoarder behaviour is characterised by an intense and often irrational emotional attachment to possessions, making it difficult for individuals to discard items, even those that appear useless or insignificant to others. Our services address the most emotionally challenging scenarios, including biohazard cleaning, hoarder property restoration, and void property management. We meticulously follow stringent health and safety regulations, ensuring comprehensive decontamination while maintaining profound respect for human dignity. When left unattended for decades, hoarded rubbish can completely fill rooms from floor to ceiling, block doorways, windows, and access to vital utilities like sinks, toilets, and stoves, create unstable and dangerous conditions where piles can collapse, require specialized cleaning teams equipped with safety gear, industrial-grade tools, and biohazard handling expertise to restore the property to a livable condition. Extreme Property cleans for local authorities and NHS-approved supplier lists. Understanding hoarder behaviour and the extent of accumulation highlights the importance of a compassionate and professional approach when addressing these situations.